everyone, again welcome back to our channel. Today also we brought you another tutorial video where I will be showing you how you can simply fix your this music not found problem on your Instagram app. But before we start with our video, do make sure to like our video, subscribe our channel, and yeah, we will just dive into our video now. So sometimes you will be just going to your Instagram, recording a particular story or uploading something, and you will trying to go to your music option over there, and then you're searching particular music, going to browse, and now you're not being able to find that particular music. So apparently you cannot expect all the musics to be available in Instagram as well either, because if Instagram doesn't have access to that, you won't be able to find that music over there. And the other thing that what you can make sure is you will simply just go back, and then you will tap on your profile icon on below right corner, and then you will tap on this three horizontal line top and go to settings over there. You will see to go to this option called account, and here you can see swipe down, they will see account, switch account types. So sometimes some music, some features are available on another type of account and some in other. So if you have personal account, simply tap to switch to professional account and tap on this continue, perform all the needed steps, and then you will switch to professional, and you will go again and check if that music is available in that account. If it's not, then if you have a professional account, then switch to personal account over there. So this is how you can simply get access to some of the available features in your Instagram app, and this is how you can simply solve it as well. So yeah, this is how you can simply fix your music not found problem in Instagram app. And yeah, thank you so much everybody for watching our video till the end, and I'll see you guys next time.